Well, you're a Darna. Let's do it, okay? Now, after 8, there's 7. Alright, ready, set, go! Wrong, has to be too slow. Sorry. Alright, come closer so that malapit tayo sa audience. Is it nervous? It's a very traditional game, alright? A lot of preparation has gone into this game, alright? Ready, set, and go! Hip, hip, look, hip, hip muna. Ulitin natin. Tita, thank you. Let's go. You have to do hip hip again. So sorry. Alright, now we have 5 remaining challengers. Alright, let's try again. 1, 2, 3, go. Hip hip. I'm so sorry. You have to be very quick. That was so close. Alright. Kilig na kilig si Tita. She's so excited. Alright, ready? Wow, you're the only thorn among the roses. Alright, ready, set, go. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. Alright, let's do it again. Last 3, top 3. Ready, set, go. Alright, sa top 2 na lang natin. These are the top 2 of our Hip Hip Hooray champions. Ready? Ready, set, go!